Hi viewers, good evening. First of all, I welcome to our new channel, Maths Magic Academy, Real Numbers. So real numbers, when it comes to the numbers, what is the importance of numbers? Can you imagine a situation without numbers we can live? Is there any possibility? There is no possibility at all. See, when the child is growing from the mother womb, from there onwards, it will be calculated from how many months, how many days, how many weeks, like that. These all are related to mathematics only. So it signs that without using the numbers, we cannot imagine our life. So that is the greatness of numbers in our life. But when it comes to that real numbers, see, you know real hero, real heroine, real actress, some people you can imagine. But if you go and ask an illiterate people, what is a real number? So they said, what is this? I know my phone number, I know my Aadhaar number, I know my PAN number, or etc. Some numbers I know. But what is this new concept, real numbers? I don't know. Is it or not? But the numbers, whatever they are using in their life, those all will be there in the set of real numbers, generally. So, when it comes to the basic theory of number system, the numbers are naturally what we are using: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. These all are called natural numbers. These all are called natural numbers. People, do you know, in olden days, that means before Christ, there is no numbers at all. Then how the people are using, how the people are calculating in each and everything they are in their life? Do you know? Suppose a shepherd will count the sheep by taking stones. Like that, in various ways they are using numbers without knowing those are numbers. Like that, here naturally whatever the numbers we are using, those are called natural numbers. And the natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. And natural numbers along with 0, is called the new set of numbers. Those are whole numbers. Viewers, do you know who introduced 0? So 0 was introduced by our Indians only. That is one of the greatness for our India. Now here natural numbers along with 0 is nothing but a new set, that is whole numbers. And then there will be next set of numbers, those are integers. Why the integers are introduced? So here there is a cos natural numbers, naturally the numbers are introduced, and there will be a 0 along with natural numbers. If you consider 0, then the new set will be whole numbers. So the people are felt that, so we find all the numbers in the world. That's why they kept the name whole numbers. But later on, when the people are going to sea level, they are going to measure at the type of sea level. Sea level, how they can measure the sea level? There will be upside and downside. When it comes to the downside, there will be another number theory, that is negative numbers. So we have to measure in the negative numbers. Or when it comes to that moving forward will be one direction, that is a plus. Moving backward, that will be another direction, that is a negative. For that purpose, they introduced one more set of numbers, those are integers. So these integers are nothing but negative numbers and 0 and positive numbers. So these numbers are also called Zilon. That is, Zilon is nothing but a Japanese word which means count. So that is Zilon means count. That's why it is also represented by the letter Z or I. So the set Z or I represented integers. Integers are consisting both positive, negative and 0. This is one more set. Later on, they find that one more different type of numbers. Suppose they are taking a fruit and they are cutting into the fruit into some different parts for eating purpose. Like that, if you want to divide the board into two equal parts, then what about this part and this part? This part is half of the whole part. This part is also half of. In this case, there is a new type of numbers are introduced. That is nothing but rational numbers. Rational numbers. In these rational numbers, you can observe that there is a numerator and denominator. So this rational number is dividing the whole part. When the whole part is divided into too many parts, then the rational numbers are existing. So that there is one more different type of set is introduced, that is rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. Why it is denoted by Q? Q represents quotient. Q represents quotient. When the numerator and denominator is divided, then it exists the quotient. So that it is giving the rational part. That's why this set of numbers are denoted by Q. So these are related by, see, Q equals to the numbers which are in the form of P by Q. P by Q, where P and Q belongs to integers. That means the numerator and denominator both are integers. Both are integers. It might be a negative or positive. And one more important thing, that the denominator should be always not equals to 0. Always not equals to 0. Why? Because if the denominator consisting 0, then it cannot be determined. That's why the rational numbers are denoted by P by Q. Those are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to Z, and the Q, that is a denominator part, should not be a 0. So this is the basic theory before real numbers of number sets. Now when it comes to the real numbers, so the real numbers are nothing but collection of all the sets. Collection of these all the sets. Collection of these all the sets are nothing but real numbers.